So moving on, we'll be going through traffic segmentation in this video and in this chapter. Okay, so the hard part is over. Till the four-way handshake was the most critical part. This is going to be very basic and standard, right? So traffic segmentation is most likely, it's kind of an important part of a network design, right? It's a key part of our network design. So before a network design is done or a network is deployed, it's good that we have to ask the customers about how many SSIDs does he want in the network and what kind of resources he wants them to access. So people on different SSIDs might be accessing different resources, and that's pretty much what traffic segmentation is all about, right? So this is a key part of our network design. We need to have good knowledge about what kind of segmentation needs to be done in the network, right? So once the users are authorized onto the network resources, user traffic can basically be further restricted as to what resources may be accessed and where the user traffic is destined. So once authorized, right, onto the network resources, hang on. Okay, once authorized onto the network resources, right, the user traffic can be further restricted. Where as to what resources may be accessed and where the traffic is destined as to what resources can be accessed further, right? Okay, that is the basically what traffic segmentation can be all about. Usually in the Wi-Fi network, traffic segmentation can be achieved in different ways. It can be achieved using firewalls, can be achieved using routers, right? It can be achieved using VPNs. It can also be achieved using WLANs, right? Yeah. So for a wireless segmentation strategy in enterprise.11, WLAN is basically the most common one and most widely used for WLAN segmentation, right? So this is basically very commonly used, and also sometimes segmentation is also often intertwined with the role-based access control. Okay, so RBACs, we'll also touch upon this in the next video, but even role-based access control is also sometimes is used in segmentation to segment the traffic further, right? So in the next video, we'll talk about how VLANs are able to make a difference and do traffic segmentation, and why VLANs are very essential when it comes to the guest VLAN or the voice traffic or data traffic, all sorts of things, right? So we'll discuss that in the next video.